friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hey, मैंने कोविड में
Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my friend Divya.
I have to introduce my hand.
Yeah,
Hi.
introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Kanchan's friend Divya.
And I'm Divya's friend Kanchan. Okay, so today what are we talking about? What's the hot topic? Okay, next.
Sabaran.
I liked his comeback video.
Yeah, I loved it. पर मुझे ऐसे fan
But what he
नहीं
said
थी.
was,
नहीं, पर उसका comeback वीडियो बहुत personal था.
it was emotional.
Very emotional. I cried.
I didn't cry, but I felt emotional towards the end of it.
Yeah, I cried.
I mean, I could
Every
genuinely
time.
see.
मैं तो हर 15-20 मिनट में मेरे एक आंसू निकल रहे थे हंसते हंसते.
You were that emotional.
Yeah, very emotional. कितना they had to go through a lot, no?
They did. It was an amazing video. So we are right now, what is the time? I think it's 1:30, and so we got our kids out for a trip. Why? Let's start why this trip happened. Let's start from there.
We want to say that it was because of our kids.
Because
But actually because we wanted it.
because they wanted to go on a school trip.
Yes.
And we were not ready to send them on that trip.
Then we thought कि नहीं,
We will take the
फायदा तो हमारा भी होना चाहिए. पैसे अगर खर्च रहे हैं 15,000 तो
Why should kids have all the fun?
आपको मेरे साथ vlog नहीं करना चाहिए.
क्यों?
Too honest.
नहीं, I think that's what nation जानना चाहता है. Be true.
आपको
Speak the
देखो,
truth.
खम्बा वाला The Nation Wants to Know.
नहीं.
No, it's a very interesting quiz.
Is it a political show?
ना वो खम्बा नहीं, गुरसिमरन खम्बा AIB वाला.
Oh no, I don't watch that.
उसका quiz show है. It's very interesting. Yeah, we can continue. Sorry.
So yeah, so that's why we got our daughters on this staycation, and our daughters said that we should not see you moms once we check in until the next day, or except for dinner and breakfast. And right now my daughter is sleeping here in the room with me. So is this invasion of my privacy now, or is this emotional attachment?
I am jealous that she is with you. She wants to be with you. Mine doesn't.
No, I think maybe she was more tired.
Thanks for saying that. हमने ये खोला था to discuss our husbands.
Oh yeah, let's talk about the most hot, national, amazing topic. Underrated? Is it underrated or is it overrated? It's underrated. No, it's overrated. यार.
Husbands?
Yeah, they're overrated. कौन है?
कौन है?
Wives. We are not talked about. Yeah, so let's talk about some quality traits of husbands that we get pissed about. Got pissed off.
Honest
So
वाला,
any-
honest वाला. Serious discussion.
Serious. Anything that comes to your mind.
Not good at communication.
They're heartless.
Yeah, soulless.
I think they lost their heart once they passed out 8th standard.
I doubt mine had the until 8th standard.
Okay, so they are they're very immature. They lack emotions. Anything from your end?
Correct.
No, anything about them from your end?
They lack emotions.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah, I'm saying that you're saying correct. They lack emotions.
Give an example now, like a very general example in day-to-day life, like.
If I say I love you to my husband, he'll say okay. So
Yes, I think most of the wives in India can relate to that, who are in their late 30s mostly,
40.
or in their 40s, will relate to this.
Yeah.
It's like you text them something and they say okay,
Okay.
okay,
Yeah.
yeah. And romantic, 0. Actually, minus. है ना? Planning surprises, doing things.
2.
You'll give 2?
I'll give 2.
I'll give -2.
You add a minus. It's 2.
Yeah.
2 for me. Yeah.
So the maximum amount of surprise I can get is I'm coming back after 5 days.
And he came after 4 days. 4th night.
No. If he says I'm coming back after 5
You
days.
would have imagined it to be 7 days, but he actually came after 5 days.
No. If he said I'm coming on Thursday, he'll come on Friday. That's the surprise. So that is the problem with the husband who travels a lot. What about a husband who stays at home or has a work from home job? Please throw a bit
Light
of
on
shade
it?
and light on it.
How would he surprise me?
Yeah. And cheers to the Diet Coke that we could arrange through Blinkit. Yeah, throw some light.
I don't know. तो बहुत conscious कर रहा है मुझे.
No surprise.
No surprise.
Maximum surprise will be they're not at home. No.
No. He's
They've
always-
cooked something.
No.
Acha,
It's
what?
all very normal. There is no surprise. It's all very regular.
I
plain.
think, okay, so I think we should start giving surprises.
To husband.
Yeah, let's
Yeah?
leave somewhere for Saturday morning, come back Sunday night.
They'll be happy. It's a happy surprise. Like, चल बारह छुट्टी ठीक है.
संडे क्यों, मंडे आते अगले
बहुत
संडे.
खुश. बच्चों को भी लेके जाओ 2 दिन के लिए.
Okay, so any other topic? But let's say something about the girls, yaar.
Kids.
Yeah, like about the girls who are
Yeah.
growing up, who will be like, today they are 9, they'll be 19 in next 10 years. Let's give a nice, strong message to them. To
Be yourself. Find your voice.
be
Stay
independent.
Independent emotionally.
Speak your mind.
financially,
Yes.
Every which way. Yes. Yeah. No.
Yeah.
ये सारा केस बहुत डिस्टर्ब किया है.
You'd never have to do anything what the world or society tells you to do. Just do whatever you want to do.
And we are there.
Doing what we want to do.
No, we are there for them.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
Always.
There for
Always. Yes.
मैंने आज एक बहुत
किसी
अच्छा
से
reel
डरने
देखा
का
था
नहीं.
ना, मैंने yeah. ठीक है, मतलब जेल मत जाना. मारना वाला नहीं, छोड़ के आ जाना. But I am there is the yeah. But
Yeah.
I'm there. We are there.
Yeah. So,
We are
do you think there will be pav bhaji in breakfast tomorrow?
I hope so.
My pav bhaji.
I
I think I would love to have a puri and a croissant, like both.
I would love to have chola bhatura.
Oh, you like chola bhatura?
I like all
North Indian.
unhealthy stuff.
Oh,
No.
okay. Yeah, so speaking about unhealthy, we just had garlic bread,
Diet Coke.
pizza, chicken nuggets, very French fries, and
That's it.
all day we have just been eating chips, nut cut, curls, lays,
Egg biryani.
Egg biryani. Egg biryani is healthy, protein and carbs. So that's what we like to tell. And what do we want to say to the sons, to the boys who will be 19 after 10 years? Respect girls.
Respect girls.
Just the way you respect your mom, respect the girls.
They
Any
don't-
girl in your life, be it your sister, your mother, your friend. Then the mothers, the millennial moms, it's your job to teach your sons how to respect a girl, a woman, a lady. It's very important, and it has to start at home so that our daughters grow up around men who know how to respect women. It's very important. That's one of the topics that gets left behind all the time. And the biggest concern in our country leads to that safety. Isn't it?
True, absolutely true.
Everything is so good about India except
Yeah.
safety.
Empathy.
Yes.
Yeah. Bye.
Okay. That's all for tonight. Saying bye to you all in our raw forms. Our night suits are matching.
Yeah.
Yes. And we'll see how to sleep. We're still not sleepy. But you guys sleep. So if you liked the video, don't forget to
Like, share, and subscribe.
Yay! So she's not a vlogger, but she knew this. So don't forget to share it with all the moms, millennial moms. Love you guys. Bye.